Hi, my name is Christian from Airwallet and I'm here to show you how to install the Airwallet PRO 200 on a Miele professional dryer with the XCI communication module. Before installing Airwallet, please set up the device on the Airwallet dashboard. Enter the serial number and choose Laundry Professional Solution. For this dryer I chose to install Airwallet with end of cycle feedback and with user start time as a start signal. I want the user start time to be 4 minutes, so the user has 4 minutes to start the machine from when it has been purchased. Enter the preferred name of the machine and price per cycle. If you're in doubt about how to set up your device, please click the link in the description. Ensure that you have disconnected the power to the machine. Get your XCI box and remove the lid. Get your Airwallet PRO 200 and install it on the terminals. Ensure that the wires not in use are protected. Add a jumper between terminal 2.4 and 3.2. Connect wire number 2 to terminal 1.4. Connect wire number 3 to terminal 3.1. Connect wire number 4 to terminal 2.3. Connect wire number 1 to terminal 2.6. Connect wire number 5 to terminal 2.2. Insert the Airwallet PRO 200 into the XCI communication module and install the box on a wall near the machine. Plug the XCI box into the machine. Now the installation can be powered up. Press Start to set up the machine. Choose Program Control under Payment System. Choose 60 minutes per pulse. Choose Program End as the feedback signal. Choose immediately after starting on the payment system lock and delete payment signal. Now the machine requires payment before starting. Open the Airwallet app, swipe to test the installation and start the machine. The machine will be occupied the first 4 minutes regardless of the feedback signal. Now the installation has been tested and the Airwallet marketing material can be mounted. Thank you for listening in. I hope you have a smooth installation of your new Airwallet PRO 200.